If you're facing a problem where you're not being able to purchase V-Bucks, this is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you're going to do is go to status.epicgames.com, and this is where you can actually check the server status if everything is operational. If there's an outage, wait for Epic to fix it. If that is not the case, it could also be your internet connection. Make sure that your internet is stable and working properly. And if not, try restarting your router or even switching your network. If that is not the case, you might need to ensure your card or PayPal is valid and not expired, and check if you have sufficient balance or available funds. Again, if that is not the case, you might need to check or make sure that your billing address like zip, postal code, and phone numbers are correct, and ensure the info matches your payment method. If you're using any kind of VPNs and proxies, it is definitely going to block purchases. So simply go ahead and turn them off and try it again. If you have any parental controls that have been turned on, it could also block purchases of V-Bucks. Simply go ahead and check your console accounts and payments. If none of it works, you might need to update the Fortnite to latest version and close the game and restart. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.